Hey, you're back. Okay, so I take it that you have done your left hand. I bet it was tricky. I bet it was. So I've been thinking how to best handle this. I don't think it's going to be a good idea to try and play the singer's part as well, because that could be more difficult, not a beginner's lesson. Instead, we'll do it as an accompaniment, so that people can sing while you play it, which is better. But if you notice in the first video, I hope you've seen the first video. In the first video, I actually played the last part of the song. Now I'm thinking, why did I do that? Well, the answer is, that is where we call in music the climax. Probably the part where you most enjoy. And most, well, I'm not gonna say most, but a lot of guys can't sing that part. So if you haven't got a high voice and you want some support so you could actually sing down here, maybe your vocal is more this section and she's going up here. If you can't do that, maybe you can sing down here but support it up here, and it should sound nice if you play together. Let's make a start. I'm going to deal with this. What is the best way to deal with it? We have in music, well, we have in this song certain sections. We have the verse, it starts with the verse, then we have the chorus, then we have the verse, then we have the chorus, which goes into a climax, and then it goes to a finish. So it's like this. Climax, finish. When it first starts, it goes, the right hand will go, this is middle C, we step back. The right hand will start here. This is just for the start, it won't be the whole song. So this is C, we're going to start from this D. Here's another C, it's D. It goes D to G, so it goes slow motion. Sorry about the noise, let me cut this. Okay, so how would it look in your hands? I could put my hand like this, thumb on D, and second finger on G. So let's go. Then after that, put your thumb on a G. So you gotta swap fingers. Let's try that. Step one. Yeah, that's how we start. Bum, bum. And a B now. Step two. So you only got 3 notes so far. 3 notes. Pause the video after I do it one more time and try it out. So it's D to G, G to B to G. Those notes, just alternating. Pause the video and try it out. Well done with that. So what's next? We just did this. And I'm going to add a note, this note D. We start from this note D, now on this note D. So it's going to be this chord. So let's try that. D, again down. Guitar music is easier because it's not like that in a way. It's more in order because these notes are there. But for now, it just, we start at the beginning. So it goes. that noise. I'm going to do it again, and then after that I'm going to show you what fingers I use. So, where are we? Middle C's there. Can you try and play it with me? Just with your fingers now, and then practice, and then we'll give the fingering. Right, now the fingering. I put my thumb, second finger. And I'm going to do from here, that's my first position. And then second, I'm going to move my hand like this. G, B, A, D, C. And we'll start here. 1, 2, then move over. 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5. So these are, your fingers are 1, 3, 5. That's your fingers on the chord. That's all the notes you're using. Next section. After you do the first part, move your thumb up to the F sharp. That's the next note. From G is E. These are our next two notes. So the next part is F sharp to E, and these are notes. So these are notes to work out. F sharp, B, and D sharp. We're going to add this note, but it's only once, which is E. So it goes. B, and then go to E, back to B, D sharp, back to B. Okay, so let's say this is the first phrase. And we got up here after that. These are the three notes. If you notice, in this second phrase, the B will be the alternating note that is used the most. For example, watch. B, and then this, then B again, and then this, and then B again, and then this, and then B again, and then this. So it's all about B. So what you have the chord is here. Let me show you like that. Again, phrase 2. I'm going to do it slowly so you could try and play with me. What's next? Of course, B. What's next? B. E. What's next? B. What's next? B. So, where are we now? We started from phrase 1. Right, I'm sorry, but if you notice there's been a lot of noise here, there's actually a building, doing some building work in one of the houses. It's so much noise, I cannot record. It's so frustrating. I've been trying to do this for hours now, and okay, not hours, but maybe 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave it there and I'll continue with the rest of it next lesson. Just to end, let's go in slow motion. Let's see, because it's not going to be... While you're waiting, you might want to try and put two hands together and you'll see the situation. I will try it now in slow motion. Can't do it. Okay, so let's leave it there.